I've been a transformational coach for close to 20 years, and I'm here to help you. A lot of my VIP members are here right now. Thank you so much for deciding to be the light during these very challenging times and deciding to unwrap your gifts to give to others. You know, as a transformational coach, I know that if you keep your gifts wrapped right now, you're doing humanity a disservice. You got to give. You got to lend a helping hand. You've got to just at least say something positive, you know, to other people that are really maybe having a hard time right now. You have the choice to be the change that you want to see right now. I just want to say that there's hope at the end of the tunnel. There's light at the end of the tunnel out of all of this. And I actually created a beautiful walkthrough of my notes today, of my thoughts. Let me tell you what. We're kicking butt and taking names, guys, okay? As your coach, I'm here to tell you that you're doing an exceptional job considering the circumstances. So stay engaged, stay focused, stay positive. If you're really feeling a heavy curtain of darkness that just fell upon us, if you feel like you're drowning in a sea of grief, if you're just feeling blue, down in the dumps, now's the time to really get a grip. Get a grip, get yourself busy. And how do you keep yourself busy? You serve. When you serve others, even if it's just a positive comment or putting up a post of support right now, you are sending out that healing energy that comes back to you. And I'm already sweating from the heat that I'm feeling from this message, okay? Get focused. Hope is on the horizon and nothing but clear skies. You have to believe that, okay? Ask, believe, receive, right? Ask that you will come out of this stronger. Believe that you will and be ready to receive. This is a test for all of us, and you will pass it, but you need mental toughness. And as a mental toughness coach, I'm excited because we have a community of like-minded women here at JNO VIP, and the VIP tribe is doing this, okay? We're not crumbling up and withering away. We're rising up towards the sun right now. We're rising up towards the sun to be stronger together. Just like we had in our question and answer yesterday, all of us poured online on our online community and supported each other. Stay engaged. That's why I went back and recorded the Zen in 10 so we can link with our breathing. You have to breathe right now so you don't get sick. Most likely, if you follow the rules, you won't get the coronavirus. If you just take some smart, simple steps that might be uncomfortable and just a little bit hard, but do it. Do it, because you don't really want to get this. But most importantly, we can also get sick from the stress that is evoked with all of this, okay? So these are my tips on how to get through this. Take really good care of yourself, guys. When you're quarantining or when you're at home and you're social distancing, that can lead to boredom, depression, anxiety, stress, mindless eating, overeating because there's nothing else to do. Work out. Watch a seminar. Be with other group of women that are really thriving and vibrating higher. Be really nice to yourself right now. Don't take yourself down the dark corridor of a dark alley thinking negative thoughts. Your best friend is your mind. So be really nice to yourself, okay? Your self-talk is so important. Tomorrow during our private group coaching, I'll be talking about the importance of positive self-talk, okay? And I'm sweating so much that the glare off of my abs might be blinding you. So let me just take care of that. Okay. Celebrate the good. You're like, JNL, there's really good in this? Yes, there is. You're spending time with your family. You're catching up on your hobbies. You're having a little more quiet time. You're relaxing more. Go and relax. There's nothing else you can do. Get your detox stretches in. Get your deep breathing in. I'll be launching the first video of Zen in 10 tomorrow. Watch the webinars in our group coaching. There's so much you can do. And just be there. Sometimes when we isolate, we self-isolate and we go away. We disappear. And I've seen some women do that and I don't even know where they are. And there's, you know, and I'm like, hello, are you there? Like, don't do that because that's a slippery slope. Stay engaged. Very important. Honor the bad. Yes, let's not turn a blind eye. We're not stupid. I'm not Miss La La Unicorn and Rainbows. I got my head on straight. Okay? But I honor the bad. I understand, you know what? I'm not going to go outside. I'm not going to go to that thing. I'm not going to risk my family's wellness just because I want to go down the street. Be smart. Be respectful and understand the process. Do all you can to contribute and help others to do well. That's even just as simple as posting a comment in our group. a comment, a supportive note, a positivity, how you're getting through, what you're eating, what's your favorite move of the day. Let's keep things light because there's a long road ahead of us, so let's make it count. Let's make it really, really, really positive as we can. Love a lot, okay? There's an ascension happening right now. That's a term that I like to use in the light world, that there's an ascension, there's a rising up of women and people of light coming to the forefront saying, guys, stay calm. How does a swimmer get through rough waters? If you're scared of the waves and you're going like this, you're going to exhaust yourself and you're going to drown. So what you need to do is float. Yeah, you need to float, you need to flow, you need to extend up. And when the big waves come, how does a dolphin swim? Underneath the waves. You can't be like exhausting yourself, especially when it's a long road ahead. Pace yourself. I know with my home now being a school, because I got 2 kids here, 2 sons, my 19-year-old and my 17-year-old. One's going to college online remotely and one's going to his junior high school year. I had to realign things in the house. Quiet, lunch, respectful. You have to adapt. And it's a beautiful thing because honestly, we're connecting. And I have to see the good in that, right? We're here together. We're here together. So I'm going live at 8 a.m. with our Spring Has Sprung workout because tomorrow is our first day of spring. I'm entitled it Whip Your Assets into Shape, which we're going to do. And if your gym is closed and you need a source of light, lean on us, lean on me. You can join today at jnlvip.com because you are too blessed to be stressed, hashtag, okay? Let's do this. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this positive message. Make sure you share it out so we can share our VIP life together. Let's do this. I believe in you. Bye, guys. Woo. Love you. Hello, Yelly. Mwah, Susan. Yes, let's go.